Introducing the future of wireless visual surveillance, Polo's Guardian Shield Pro. The ultimate smart Wi-Fi solar-powered camera. This cutting-edge camera has an 8,600 mAh battery that is solar-powered and provides continuous, round-the-clock monitoring. The Guardian Shield Pro is built to withstand any weather with its IP66 weatherproofing. Feel confident knowing your surveillance is always active. With a wide horizontal angle of 336 degrees and a vertical angle of 108 degrees, this camera provides you with a comprehensive field of view, capturing every detail of your surroundings. The Guardian Shield Pro features advanced human tracking technology. It intelligently detects and tracks human movements, keeping you informed and secure at all times. Experience the ultimate in wireless visual surveillance with the Guardian Shield Pro, featuring 10-meter IR distance, two-way audio, and SD card storage support for unrivaled security. Polo. Be aware, be safe.